Hey everybody, here is a review that I have been using the Bella Classic rotating Belgian waffle maker with non-stick plates. This is versatile cooking with 3 different non-stick coatings, from traditional to ceramic titanium. This waffle iron allows you to cook up a variety of scrumptious treats beyond just waffles. From pancakes to hash browns, let your culinary creativity soar. The large capacity of this rotating waffle maker ensures that you can make plenty of delicious Belgian waffles to feed your family and guests. Start your morning with a hot, fresh batch of perfectly golden, fluffy deliciousness. The rotating function of this double waffle maker guarantees even cooking, and with 9 browning control settings you're sure to get the dessert of your dreams every time. Plus, the cool touch handle makes flipping a breeze. Say goodbye to messy batter and hello to easy cleanup with smooth auto-lock cooking surfaces and a dishwasher-safe removable drip tray. The non-slip feet keep our waffle irons securely in place, protecting your countertop from any spills. The sleek design and folding handle make our cute waffle makers the perfect fit for any kitchen decor, plus the compact size makes them easy to store away. They're also a great gift idea and a nice addition to your wedding registry. I think it's a great programmable classic rotating Belgian waffle maker, with reasonable price, so I highly recommend it. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like. Click on the link in the description box to buy the Bella Classic rotating Belgian waffle maker with non-stick plates. Thanks for watching this video.